Hey, Amy from the blogblastinglife.com, and today we are going to get really personal and we are going to make an armpit detox mask. Now, you may be thinking, what the heck is that? It is a mask to help de-stink you. If you are new to using natural deodorants, sometimes people feel like they don't work or that they really stink or they sweat a lot because their bodies are so used to commercial deodorants that have a lot of not so nice chemicals in them to help block smell and reduce sweating and all that stuff. So doing an armpit detox is a great way to make our natural deodorants more effective. Today I'm going to show you how to make one. It's really simple and really effective. One thing to note is that we're going to be using bentonite clay, and with bentonite clay you do not want it touching metal. So use non-metal utensils to make this. So in this bowl I have about 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay, and bentonite clay really helps remove and absorb toxins and kind of help remove all that, stuff to make you stink. I also have activated charcoal. Charcoal is great at absorbing smells. And then I have some apple cider vinegar and some water. Apple cider vinegar helps balance the pH in our skin, and it also can help remove smells. And then water, just to give it a nice, good consistency. I use my Berkey water filter to use filtered water, so that way it gets all the chemicals I don't really want in there. So to my half a tablespoon of bentonite clay, I'm going to add 1/8 teaspoon of activated charcoal. You could do a little bit less if you want to. And honestly, you could do this without it, but the activated charcoal really, really helps. So I'm gonna mix this together. And honestly, a little bit goes a long way with the activated charcoal. All right, next I'm gonna add about a half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And then we're gonna add a little bit of water just to make it into a paste. So anywhere from around a half a tablespoon to 1 tablespoon of water. Break up any little clumps that you find. All right, so how to use this. You want to start off with nice clean armpits. So take a shower, wash them, make sure to get any of that deodorant off. And then you're gonna wanna put this on, like you can use a paintbrush or you can just use your hands and slather it on and let it sit for about 15-20 minutes and then rinse it off. I would definitely recommend not wearing white when you do this, just because this is very dark and so you don't want to stain your clothes. You're just going to leave it on there and then rinse it off, and you will have nice fresh armpits. If you'd like to, you could even make this ahead of time. Just mix the activated charcoal and the bentonite clay together, and then when you're ready to use it, then add your liquid ingredients. That way you can already have it nice and prepped, and doesn't take very long to mix it together. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial today on how to make a DIY armpit detox mask, and I really hope it helps you and make it smell a little fresher and nicer. I know it's something that I have definitely struggled with, especially finding the right deodorant that works for me, because I tend to be a smellier person. It's TMI, but we're friends here, right? And when I was sitting in the bed the other night with my husband, he goes, "Whoa, you stink." So I knew it was time to do an armpit detox. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. I will put a link in the description for all the ingredients I use. Also find the blog post with all the information and all the ingredients and the exact measurements. Thank you so much for joining me today on how to make your own DIY armpit detox mask. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I share 2 new videos every single week on simple recipes, DIY projects, and natural living products. I really hope this helps your armpits smell a little nicer. Thanks for coming by.